At Mobility Solutions, this is part one of a three-part series on the all-new Golden Eagle all-terrain mobility scooter. We'll be going through the complete unboxing and total setup of this unit, then we are going to take it out in the field and put it through the ringer and see what this puppy is really made of. Then we will go over specs and give our final thoughts. So make sure you come back for the full series because you never know what may happen. Now, let's start with that unboxing.
Hey, I'm Chris, Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I have a brand new scooter that just came in from Golden Technologies. The new Eagle AT, the model number is GR596A. It's a big scooter. This isn't your scooter to take to Disneyland, Disney World, Universal. This isn't something you're going to travel with. This is for your property, and it's pretty sweet. Eddie, have you seen it yet?
Not yet.
Well,
I'm excited.
This is Eddie. He's going to assist me on this. Usually they make me do all of this. It'll come on a pallet, or we can offer you white glove delivery where it's fully put together and charged up, ready to use. But if you decide to do it this way,
Whoa.
this is the unboxing. Yeah, it's cool. Look at this.
You know what? We got to lift this whole thing up.
Do it this way. Just pull it off. This is a great box house for your kids, whoever. Callan would probably love this thing.
Oh, that's a great house.
And first thing that came out is the basket. So here's a basket. If I was you, I'd just go ahead and get a nice trash bag so you can put all this stuff in. There's the seat. Seat's gonna be a little heavy.
Whoa.
Looks like it's got a slider on it. Put that on top of that box, buddy. Brandon, you haven't even seen this yet either. And I got it in the gray color because I'm just tired of red. So it's in gray. Go ahead and just get everything off. Wait, do you see this thing? Eddie likes to save all this packaging. We're just going to throw it away, I think. That's where your basket will go. It's already mounted there for you.
All right, how do you raise that up?
Can you see that?
Oh, yeah.
And then right here, let's see what's in here. A bunch of goodies. Oh, look, this is the free accessory, and there'll probably be some parts in here. There's your armrest.
Got it.
So this is a storage compartment for the back. It comes free. Some companies charge you for this. A set of keys for that, a set of keys for this, because you can lock it. And we'll go over this compartment, but I guarantee you there's stuff in here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unlock it. Yep.
Oh my.
So what you're gonna find inside of here,
That's a heavy one.
some stuff you need. It's heavy. We'll get it. We'll
Yeah,
get
it's
it.
heavy. I'm just looking, just testing it. Beautiful wheels.
So this is for your seat, and it's going to go right here. We'll show you how that goes on. You have two different heights. This is going to be at the back because it swivels. Swivel seat. What is this? Oh, so this is going to be for this right here. So we'll just show you this real quick.
Oh,
And then we'll put it together.
man, this baby's heavy.
Yeah, we'll get it. Calm down, there's batteries in it. That's Eddie. See how this is set up? Well, this is gonna bracket onto here. And so this goes in the back of the seat. So we're gonna come back to this. Very, very easy.
You have to hook up the battery, right?
And also what you have in here is your keys for the scooter. And I think this has the NFC security. It does. The smart key. So we have your smart key. We have your manual. And we have this that we'll figure out what that's for in a little bit. So put that to the side. Don't lose that. So if you don't want your grandkids taking off on it, you can give a little smart key. Or if you live in a big area where you ride these around, now you have a smart key that only you're going to have the key to it. There's your charger. You're going to want to charge this up before you use it, please. What else is in here? Your mirrors. Yep, comes with 2 sets of mirrors. We'll show you how that goes on also. And Look what Golden's doing. They're just hooking you up. It's going to come with a cell phone, nice one too, holder. And we'll show you where that goes also. So, first thing though, is more than likely you got to take this shroud off. This is a big scooter. I'll get the measurements in just a little bit. Back here, so just going to remove that. That might be the only one. All right, it is. So this is Velcroed on. Don't lose this. You don't need to mess with all this wiring. The one thing you do need to mess with is hooking up the batteries. There's big batteries in here. I think these are 75 amp hour batteries from MK. And there's also going to be an upgrade to a 100 amp hour battery for extended range. But this might be all you need. Now, if you want to go up to the bigger batteries, if you're heavier, if you're going to be riding this a lot, full blast, probably do it. But this does have a very good mileage with these batteries in it. Now, when I pull this off, you got to remember this is for your light. So make sure you hook that up when you put this back on. But before I do that, I'm going to put the seat post on there really quick and go ahead and tighten that up.
Where's the post?
Can you see this? Let me hold that camera real quick, Brandon. Check this out. Spring suspensions. I had a chance to see this at MedTrade, and I didn't spend too much time with it. I wish I did, but it is it's a beast of a unit. Look at the tires. These tires are big and fat. Possibly can ride this on the beach. Very clean, very simple.
Not great beach. You want solid rubber. Like you don't want all the tread.
Probably won't work at the beach, but we're gonna find out where this thing actually
It'll work
can
in
go.
sands, but
You
like
think
not on beach sand.
not on beach sand?
No.
He's saying it's not gonna work on sugar sand. This is my little brother, as you can see. I'm gonna disagree with him on some stuff. We'll find out who's right. We're gonna take this to the beach. We'll see who's right.
Have fun.
Top bolt or what?
Which way would it go? Not that way.
Like so?
There you go. Teaching him slowly. So
I'm a
let's
slow
go.
learner.
You have two different sizes. So if you're taller, go to this bottom one. If you're a little bit shorter, go there. And we'll give you the specs on where to put this at. And then you'll just... That's it. See, this is at the back.
That little nub.
It should be at the back. And then we're going to put this right back on. I put this here so I wouldn't lose it. This is your release right here. But I'm going to hook this back
Yeah.
up, Eddie.
That
Because
light.
then if you don't, the lights don't work.
Yeah, we
Come
want
down.
the lights to work.
Come down some. All right. Let's hope that fits over it. So, I mean, you could have done this. You could have put this and then
Could
did
have.
it here. You could if you want to. I didn't know.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
The seat's heavy. How heavy do you think that is?
Hey, hold on. Let me get the seatbelt here. Okay, grab one of them.
There you go.
What are you doing? No, he's got it. It's fine. It's for the camera. He's 80. This is what it's going to be like when you're putting this together for your grandfather, and he wants to help.
Help me.
He's going to do it this way. This is a big seat belt.
It's my Monday, Wednesday, Friday guy. They're fun days.
All right, we're just going to put this here. If you want to take this seat belt off, you can just unbolt it there. But there's your swivel seat. Goes both ways. And we'll go into all this later. This is where you can put the armrest at. So we're going to show you that. And then I believe it has a slide to it also. So this slides back and forth. So
I
shorter,
like.
taller. Grandma wants to use it. Grandpa
That's
wants to use
nice.
it. You have it. Did you already put this together? Or
Nope.
is this how it was? All right, so
it
it
came
comes
like-
like this. And these are flip backs, adjustable in height, and adjustable in width. You're gonna come here and back these screws out. He's gonna have to back his out further. And you can adjust this what width you want and then go ahead and tighten both of them up.
What's the
Not all the
secret?
way, not all the way in.
Show me how.
Yeah, you don't ever want to go all the way in because you want, if you need to fold this down, or if you need to, you could. That's probably good. This is a very easy unboxing.
Best way to do it, if you want to, is to fold the seat down and then adjust it from there.
What's that?
You fold it down and then adjust it. So if you want to get the arms, not on this one right here, but if you fold it down and then adjust it here, so you know you have the gap between.
He just doesn't want to rub this, but this one's not going to be.
You don't
I
have to
guess
worry
you
about- you don't have
you
to worry
could load this up in the back of a minivan seat that comes to it. It has a speaker too, Bluetooth speaker. Now this right here, let me show you where this goes. So you're gonna have to pop this cap out. Now you don't have to use this storage compartment, but if you, it comes with it.
Oh, it's
So this is gonna, you're gonna back this all the way out, I guess.
oh, these are mirrors.
Oh no, it's just compressed. That's as
Gotta be
far as it's just gonna go, and then you'll just take this and go right back in. All right, I don't think you need tools to put this thing on. I think it just, I don't know what that one tool is, but we'll, if we figure out what it's for, we'll see how these slide on. Just latch it down, and then now you can. And it's cool because you could easily remove this out, have this locked, and carry this inside with you. Or if you're at a car show and you want to carry a bunch of stuff around. Now putting these mirrors on, kind of a pain to be honest with you. But get them on and then you can tighten them down right here. I'll probably bring these out some.
Where is the headrest?
I know it came with one. It does come with a headrest. We'll get you a headrest. Brandon's really good at putting the mirrors on.
These are
So you got one left, one right. Look at this screen.
oh, that's a wrench.
Oh wow. You gave us a wrench.
Universal Phillips.
Why don't you keep that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's how that comes with it. Nice. A lot of companies don't send that, but that's how you would tighten the mirrors. We use our own tools around here. Doesn't work. See how you can adjust these? What do you think about it, Brandon?
Cool. I like the color.
This can go. You'll have to find a spot for this where you want your cell phone holder. We're gonna put this in the basket.
Yeah. With a charger.
Oh,
Power on.
did you hear that?
Bluetooth mode.
Cool. What? Look at this. So it just said power on, speed, digital dash, shows you your scooter, your miles, your
Probably on the
battery
bottom.
gauge, your voltage. I'm sure there's other stuff to look at. There's your blinker, shows it on, blinker left.
Oh, I like that.
Do you like this scooter?
Yep.
And then you got the hazards.
Now get on the back side.
Shows you your high beam, so you have high beam lights. Oh, cool.
Do the lights on the back. Lights are on.
Lights are on.
Do a blinker. Oh, that's cool. All right, do another one. The other side, yeah.
Cool. Now, that's probably good. Let's get this thing off. This thing's heavy, so like, if you don't have someone to help you and you had to get this off by yourself, maybe removing the batteries. I got diesel back here.
Oh,
Can we get the?
Hercules.
Can we get? You're gonna hurt
Yeah.
your back doing that. Can we get the forklift?
The forklift is right here. That guy.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Let me push it when you do that. Ready? Go.
All right, just a little bit of fun together. This is one of those unboxing videos you do to what not to do. But you see how it's in these little. Need to charge it up before you use it, but
I want
we're gonna go ahead and just roll this around to the front. Looks good, doesn't it? All right, let's take it up front. I'll put on the charger. This thing's fast.
Okay guys, ride test's up next. Make sure you come back, it's going to be exciting. Thanks for watching part 1 of this series. We will see you next time.